Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. WTI prints mild gains above $42 ahead of API data. http ntvforex.com News ID 587829 1 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. WTI keeps the bounce off $42.40 to mark the second positive day. Challenges to the US dollar's latest recovery moves favor the latest pullback. Receding coronavirus COVID-19 numbers add to the optimism. API data, virus headlines and the US dollar moves will be important to watch. WTI takes rounds to $42.50 55 ahead of Tuesday's Tokyo Open. The energy benchmark recently gained bids amid challenges to the catalysts supporting the US dollar strength. Also supporting the mood could be a recovery in virus numbers and a lack of major negatives for energy markets. Though, traders remain cautious before the weekly inventory data from the American Petroleum Institute API. Risk on sentiment probe to the latest comments from the U.S. health official Anthony Fauci pours cold water on the face of the Trump administration's efforts to fast-track the COVID-19 treatment. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, declined to comment on the president, but said there are risks in rushing out a vaccine despite the urgent need, said Reuters. On Monday, markets cheered increased odds of overcoming the pandemic in the U.S. after President Donald Trump authorized the use of plasma from recovered COVID-19 patients to treat current patients. The optimism also gained clues from another push to gain first-hand over AstraZeneca's vaccine and the receding numbers from new cases from Florida as well as no new virus-led deaths in Arizona. Elsewhere, the US-China tussle remains on the play as another ally of America, namely India, shut doors on the face of China's Hawaii. Furthermore, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's comments to keep providing military support to Israel also played their part to challenge the previous risk on sentiment and support the commodity. Amid all these catalysts, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield seesaw around 0.6566%, whereas S&P 500 futures catch a breather around 3,428.30 after refreshing the record high the previous day. Looking forward, the API inventory data, prior 4.264 m, will be the key to forecast WTI moves, while US dollar performance and risk news will also be important to follow for immediate direction. Technical analysis: unless breaking a short-term ascending triangle, currently between $43.20 and $41.80, oil prices are likely to remain compressed. Additional important levels overview: today last price 42.54, today daily change 0.24, today daily change percent 0.57%, today daily open 42.3, NBSP trends daily SMA 2041.99, daily SMA 5040.81, daily SMA 10034.69, daily SMA 20042.62, NBSP levels: previous daily high 43, previous daily low 41.51, previous weekly high 43.3, previous weekly low 41.51, previous monthly high 42.52, previous monthly low 38.73, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 42.08, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 42.43, daily pivot point S 141.54, daily pivot point S 240.78. Daily pivot point S 340.05, daily pivot point R 143.03, daily pivot point R 243.76, daily pivot point R 344.52, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.